What's going on, guys? Dream Money is back with another video. And today I'm going to show you how to make money by listening to music. I'll also be showing you the 7 best methods to do that. So if you're ready to get started, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe. Let's get into the video. 1. Hit Predictor. The tail is included in the name alone. Yes, it's necessary to forecast if a new song will be a success or a failure. Additionally, Hit Predictor guarantees a compensation that is in accordance with industry standards as well as the finest ways to earn money while listening to music online. The ability to choose your chosen music genre or performers is the finest feature of this website. Have you ever fantasized of working in the music business and gaining early access to new releases? Thanks to Hit Predictor, a peer review website that gathers public feedback on new songs, you can now make your fantasy a reality. You are able to select the kind of music that you enjoy listening to when you join up. You'll rate the music you've just listened to. Hit Predictor offers prizes in the same manner as many of the music websites on our list. For each song you rank, you'll receive 3 points, or $1. You may swap your points for Amazon gift cards after you have $5 worth of points banked. However, there might not always be anything for you to review. You can rank certain songs or artists on our website based on your personal preferences while you listen to music. For each rating, you will receive points. Every time you rate a song on Hit Predictor, you receive 3 points that you may exchange for gift cards. You may enter drawings for free DVDs and CDs at 1,250 points or for $50 to $100 in iTunes gift cards after you earn 500 points. Additionally, there are several contests to participate and daily chances to win additional rewards. 2. Radio Earn. Isn't it true that we all like listening to internet radio stations? But what if we could pay for it in addition to listening to it? Yes, thanks to the launch of the Radio Earn platform, this is now achievable. Simply download the app on your smartphone, then set up a free profile. You can start listening to international internet radio stations after your application has been granted. You will receive a certain number of points for each 15 minutes you spend listening to a channel. And after you have a sufficient amount in your inventory, you may choose to exchange it for gift cards or cash incentives. You may start listening to online radio stations and accumulating points as soon as you create a free account. Payments can be made each month in the form of bank transfers, Bitcoin, or Amazon gift cards. Radio Earn is an app and online radio station. It costs nothing at all to join. To make money whenever someone clicks on the link to the radio station, you may put this radio link to your website or even social network profiles. These points will be converted into USD starting with the subsequent month. You can accrue more points the more you listen. USD will be generated from the points. 3. Slice the Pea. Slice the Pea can be one of the finest methods to earn some additional money if you enjoy expressing your musical ideas. One of the most popular paid review websites online is Slice the Pea. Simply relax, turn the music on, and then write reviews about it. For each review you submit, you can get paid. The caliber of your review and the type of music determine how much you'll get paid. However, the standard reward for each review is 10 cents. You can ask for a transfer to your PayPal account once you've earned $10. Slice the Pea has a unique feature where you can evaluate more than just the music. You may comment on record labels or an artist's clothing, for instance. It's a great way to contribute to the creative process and earn some money at the same time. There is no better alternative than this amazing platform to enjoy music while earning money. It is not only well known across the world for its music reviews but is also one of the few businesses that pays its users once a week. Simply spend at least 90 seconds listening to a brand new tune before writing a review. However, each of your critiques of music should contain at least 45 words. There is no cost to sign up. You must earn at least $10 before you can ask for a payment to a PayPal account that is connected. 4. Playlist Push. How awesome would it be to be able to evaluate music while also getting paid to listen to them? You may accomplish it by using Playlist Push. The platform's goal is to assist up-and-coming vocalists and independent musicians in their endeavors. This website is for you if you believe you have an excellent ear for music and are skilled at writing evaluations. You must be the owner of a playlist on either Spotify, YouTube Music, or Apple Music to be eligible for the curator program. Additionally, you should have a sizable following, otherwise, your application can be turned down. A superb pay rate is provided by Playlist Push. You will be paid $12 for each song you evaluate. Direct deposits are made into your bank account. Despite the fact that there are many websites where you may get paid to listen to music, most of the platforms only pay a few cents for each review. One such website that offers up to $12 each review is Playlist Push. However, the typical price per song is about $1. This site features a huge selection of music thanks to its widespread global presence. Therefore, it is quite unlikely that you will run out of tracks to evaluate. You mostly need to use this excellent site to monetize your playlist. And this platform favors Apple Music or Spotify in particular. On any of these two networks, you do, however, need to have 400 followers minimum. One of the top music review websites, Playlist Push, has over 970 curators and a playlist that has been listened to over 23 million people. Playlist Push basically connects people to artists and bands so they may pay for their playlists on Apple Music and Spotify. 5. Current rewards. You may earn up to $600 in cash or gift cards each year just for using the Current Rewards music app. As you tune into the radio stations of your choosing, you'll accumulate points. Of course, your earnings will increase as you listen more. And unlike using a streaming service like Spotify, you won't be charged anything to listen to music that Current has selected for you. Even tracks from the station can be recorded for offline listening. For those of us who grew up recording music from the radio, that is very enjoyable. In addition to letting you groove out to music, Current Rewards allows you to earn points by performing tasks like finishing a survey or advancing a specific level in an in-app game. Additionally, watching video advertisements will earn you up to 15 points. When you reach a certain number of points, you may exchange them for gift cards to stores like Amazon, iTunes, Starbucks, Walmart, Target, and more. Alternatively, you can ask for a money transfer to your PayPal account. It's a terrific approach to get passive money to use Current Rewards. Although you might not be able to support yourself entirely via it, $600 a year might pay for your favorite music festival tickets, camping, and food. A fantastic lock screen app that won't slow down your smartphone is Current Rewards. Additionally, it has a library of over 100,000 live radio stations from across the globe. Both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store now offer it. You may download it instantly as well. Launch the app once it has been installed on your smartphone to begin using it. 6. MusicXRay. Nothing beats the availability of MusicXRay if you want to be paid to listen to music on PayPal. Similar in operation as Slice the Pie. However, the biggest change is that it now has extensive global coverage. You may register for an account on this site in just a few easy steps, and membership is completely free. Additionally, you may begin listening to the new music after you create an account here. Even after the music has been played for at least 30 seconds, you can still submit your review. The biggest and most trustworthy music streaming service that pays you to listen to music is MusicXRay. You may choose your favorite genres, so you can truly be paid to listen to what you want. You may select your favorite genres, allowing you to earn money while enjoying your favorite music. It is a fantastic opportunity to supplement your income while doing something you love. As a result, the quantity of songs you may listen to is dependent on the tracks that the musicians that perform in your favorite genres submit. About 10 cents every 30 seconds, or up to $12 per hour, is what MusicXRay pays. To pay out, you'll need at least $10. The funds are available for withdrawal from your PayPal account. It costs nothing at all to join. If you are active on our site and love listening to music all day, you may make between $100 and $200 every month while doing so. 7. Cash for Minutes. A website called Cash for Minutes compensates its users for making calls and listening to the radio. Users register for an account and provide their contact details, including a landline number. However, it is your obligation to make sure you utilize your free minutes. First, dial a test number to determine whether you still have any available minutes. However, once creating a profile, all future correspondence will be sent to you by email. Users have the choice to tune into any currently broadcasting radio station. Each free minute you use to call or listen to radio programs is repaid by Cash for Minutes at a rate of about 8 cents. You may use Amazon gift cards to redeem your funds instead of using PayPal, Bitcoin, or Litecoin to make payments. By encouraging colleagues and friends to sign up, you may also make money. But now, if you're not really a fan of any of these methods and you want to check out my #1 recommendation to make money online, you can click the first link in the description and get started today.